Hey, what's going on? Wyatt coming from RazFan Videos. I'm pretty excited today. Got another video for you. They're going to be about these MZS mirrors for Street Glide, for all kind of bikes. But they come from Amazon. They're about 30 bucks, which is not bad for a pair of mirrors. I got the package right here. So this is what they kind of come in. Obviously, it was wrapped in an Amazon package. Super excited about these. So today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox these and we're going to install them onto the what I got right now. Now this will be a temporary install. On Friday I get my KST custom 12-inch Mayhem bagger ape hangers. That I will make a video of that. I searched all over the internet looking for those and they were 300 bucks. Which is not bad for some ape hangers. And I'm gonna install them myself. I've never done it before. But when I talked to the guys over at KST Customs, they were super cool, super understanding. Even the guy said, you know, call me, I'll FaceTime you. And I'll run it through if you have struggles. So coming from a business standpoint, I mean, the customer service before I even ordered them was off the chain. So huge shout out to KST Customs. Man, when I talked to that guy, there was no hassle about, oh, why are you calling me about this product? Or I get a call 100 times a day about this product. You know, he was just like, hey, I'm dealing with you. This is the first time I've talked to you. So super good with that. But back to the MZS from Amazon mirrors. We're gonna go ahead and unbox them again. We're gonna install them. Again, it's gonna be a temporary install, guys. But let's get to it. What's up, guys? So like I said, we're gonna do the unboxing right now of the MZS mirrors that I got from Amazon. Again, these were 30 bucks. So I can't say, I'm hoping what we got. So let's go ahead and open them up and let's see what we got here. Oh, man. Some plastic. Looks like we got two bundles. Looks like we got some bolts here. Some bolts. Set that to the side real quick. Let's unwrap these babies. So, boom. So as you guys can see, these are the mirrors. You can rotate it however you want. I mean, obviously. These are pretty good. I'm surprised about the quality of them, the feel of them. They're very heavy feeling. I like how stiff this is because when you're riding on those Harleys, guys, if you get way too much vibration, you know that they start moving. My old mirrors did it on my 2014. It annoyed me. I could not get them tight enough. So with these, they feel really tight. So let's see what else we got in our other package. If I can get them open. Man, these were taped good. I like that though. Like, they're taped really good, so then you kind of know that when you get them, they're not going to be damaged. They're not going to be messed up. So same thing as the last ones, depending on how you want to mount them, stuff like that. You can mount these ones underneath the handlebars. If you're holding up here, you can mount them underneath. All sorts of things, guys. And again, this one's tough too. And I really like that, obviously. And I just told you why. We also got these bolts, hardware, I guess you would say. They got some extra washers on there, a lock washer. They got a lock bolt on them, pretty cool. And then they have these little things right here, and these, when you mount them to the top or bottom, you can, and it'll go over that nut there and give like a finished look on it instead of just like a piece of bolt hanging down, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out to the bike. We're gonna get the tools that we need, and we're gonna get them installed on the bike, guys. So let's go take a look. All right, so This is everything you're going to need for the install. You got the 2 mirrors, 2 bolts. You got the decorative cover so you don't see these bottom bolts. And then a 10 millimeter wrench, or you can use a socket or whatever you want to do. And what we're going to be doing is right by your brake level right here, you have a hole in there. That's where it's going to be installed. And it's the same for the other side. Right next to your clutch housing, you're going to have an opening there, and that's where you're going to install them. So let me get this camera set up. You kind of just watch me install real quick, and we'll be right back with you. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do, bolts come like this and they have a bunch of things on them, right? You're going to take this bolt off, and I slid everything off of it. So you have this one long bolt, depending on what your make and model is. Okay, this is for the 2020 Street Glide Special. And that's what you're going to need, okay? And one of the washers and a coloring and a nice little bolt kind of thing. All right, guys, so we're at the bike. First and foremost, before you work on any of this, you should always, always, always protect your bike, gentlemen. I just use a towel. Make sure that if I drop anything, if it hits a foot peg or something like that, that's fine. But it's not hitting my tank. It's not scratching anything up. So we got the mirror, okay? And we got this bolt. And your bolt comes with a spacer and 2 washers. That's going to be set up just like that. The small side on the bottom, big side on top, and it's going to go spacer and 2 washers. Now you're going to feed this up and through the hole that I was showing you earlier, okay, and into the bottom mounting bracket of that of the mirror. This makes it very easy with the socket, guys. Just like that. We're gonna snug that up pretty good. You don't want this to move. I mean, not tight enough to where you mess up the threads inside there. You don't want that to move. You want that to be pretty sturdy, and as you can tell, it's pretty sturdy. Then you take the decorative cap, and that's going to go on the bottom side. Okay, it's going to cover up that bolt. We're going to grab a 15 millimeter, slip it on there, hit it with that, boom. It's that easy, gentlemen. So we're gonna do the same to the other side, and then I'll come back and like I said, you can have these both ways depending on how you. Now I'm gonna have it like that. That's how it's supposed to be. Again, that's how you mount it. This will be a temporary mount again. Very simple, guys. This level to 1 to 10. This is a 0. To be honest with you, very easy. Very easy. It's very clean. Let's see if I can get you guys to look at it. Very, very, very clean, guys. I like the points on it. Underneath here, that's the decorative piece that you were putting on. Doesn't look too bad, guys. I mean, so guys, we just mounted the mirrors on the 2020 Street Glide Special Eleanor. Yeah, but guys, I'll be back with more videos, especially when I get the handlebars. But hey, guys, it was a pleasure. Please like, subscribe. We're gonna be going through an adventure with this bike. All right, guys, bye.